Are you currently looking for a house that has plenty of room with great schools and a wonderful community? Hi, Jake Tysiak with the J Team at Keller Williams, and I want to invite you to our open house this Saturday, January 25th at 1201 Langley Circle in Naperville, Illinois. We'll be out here from 12 to 2 hosting this house open in the Brookdale neighborhood. This 4-bedroom home has 2.5 updated baths. You'll find on the main floor a living room, family room, and an informal dining room. But to really check out some of its benefits, you'll really appreciate this kitchen. Let's take a look. One of the highlights of this home is going to be this kitchen itself. Now you have plenty of storage space with this wall of pantry space, and on top of it you have these beautifully brand new installed granite countertops which are matched perfectly with the ceramic tile in a subway pattern. Now to really enhance the cooking experience, you'll appreciate all these newly installed stainless steel appliances, including that fantastic double oven, which is a perfect space if you love baking or just preparing large meals with lots of family and friends. And also enhancing your cooking experience in the evening will be the fact that you have plenty of sunlight coming in with this western facing back view and looking out into the backyard with all of its mature trees. Having a basement is great, but you'll definitely appreciate the value with having this finished basement. These are hard to come by at this price point, and down here you have enough room to have your favorite movie playing with a little theater action, or to have some friends over for a game of pool and some cards, and also you do have a wet bar back there as well. Not only that, do you have this rec room, you also do have this great additional space as well, which would be perfect for a small home office or a small gym. So if you want more information about this house itself, or if you're curious about living in Brookdale and all the amenities and benefits that come along with this neighborhood, make sure you take a look in the description below where we have a couple of links for you to find that info for you. But again, I just wanted to invite you out to our open house this Saturday, January 25th from 12 to 2 here at 1201 Langley in Naperville. If you have any other questions in the meantime, feel free to pick up that phone, give me a call, or shoot me a text. I'm Jake Tysiak with Keller Williams, and we'll see you this Saturday. Bye.